Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Pooja's Art World. In today's video, I will share some tips and tools of acrylic painting and will show you how to do blending. So let's start with brushes. This is fan brush. It is used in making grass and trees. This is knife, which is used in abstract painting. This is soft bristles, flat brush. It may be used in blending. This is a set of rounded flat brushes and some liner brushes. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. This is a set of hawk fan brushes. This is acrylic color. I mostly use Fevicryl acrylic colors. This is 500 ml bottle of white acrylic paint. This is 15 ml bottle of blue acrylic color. This is the bottle of green acrylic color. Acrylic color comes in tubes also. These colors having more consistency. So generally people use these colors in knife painting because they are thick. So now I will show you how to do blending with acrylic colors. So first apply red color. I have used rounded flat brush for applying red color. For this blending, I will use red and yellow color. Now I will apply yellow color. You have to do it fastly because acrylic colors becomes dry very quickly. So I am using flat brush to mixing these colors. You have to mix it well, so the blending of colors looks more beautiful and perfect. Now I will show you how to do blending in round shape. First apply pink color in outer circle. I will do blending of pink and white color. After applying pink, I will make a light shade of pink color and try to mix it with the outer circle. You have to blend it well with flat brush. It looks natural and realistic. Now I will do blending of 3 colors. First applying red, and then orange, and then yellow. After applying all 3 colors, I will start to blend these colors with the help of flat brush. Make sure color should not be dry. You can do blending only in wet colors. After blending of red and orange, wash the brush to do blending of orange and yellow color. Now I will do blending of violet and white color in rectangle shape. First apply the violet color in outer portion. Then make a light shade of violet color by mixing some white color in it and apply it. Now blend this light and dark shade with the help of flat brush. Again make a lighter shade of violet and then apply it. You can make lighter shade of any color by adding white color in it. Again I have made a lighter shade of violet by adding more white in it and then applied it. Mix all these shades with the help of flat brush. The blending looks more perfect and beautiful. If you are a beginner, you have to practice more and more to make your blending more realistic and beautiful. If you want any video on any particular topic, you can write it on the comment section. I will try to make video on that particular topic. And if you have any query, you can ask in comment section. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye. Take care. Thanks for watching this video.